Hopefully I don't mess my bike up doing this. I think we're good. Alright, now. Traction. Holy smoke. Or lack thereof. Holy. Dude. Alright, now that we're on pavement. Watch out for this ice too. Chill out. It wants to stay afloat so bad. I'm just too damn heavy. Do I want to hit it? Low key? Yes, I do. Oh, this is 100 times worse. Oh gosh, this is so much worse. Oh, dude. Never mind. Absolutely not. I'll just keep it low too. It's like speed and power are low-key out the door. I'm literally just digging in the snow. Oh gosh. Ice. There we go. Look at all this slush. Sheesh. Imagine documenting an ice storm. Okay, here we go, here we go. Alright, we're good. Crazy. GoPros get too cold and like die faster. But yeah, I wonder if that happens sometimes. Mind you, these are the new batteries I ordered, so we'll have a little bit more life. But yeah. Okay. Now it's supposed to snow again tonight, or snow a little bit later in the day. So as far as like precipitation, yeah, I think we're still gonna get that. The main ice storm is over, to my knowledge. I'm so glad I put this shiesty on. Oh, body parts are cold right now on my fingers. Oh, wait. Froze? Hold up, bro. I pressed down as hard as I could. And it was super slick. Yeah. My pads and rotors are cold. Oh, it's just slushy. Alright, that is the... Wow, bro. This is actually insane. Alright, we'll stay in the tracks. I think we're good. Ooh, I really don't want to my bike up, but I'm having so much fun. Ew. Yuck. All this just to go around a parking lot. Yeah, my index finger is like very good. It's not happy. Holy. Alright, let's head back. Look at all this. It's crazy. All that perfectly smooth snow I'm about to ruin. Like this stuff. This is like my first time riding in snow too, on a dirt bike. Not overly bad. Ew, no. Very slick. Not a lot of traction. Hands are absolutely frozen. We're up. Yep. Holy smokes. My God. Whew, this is so fun. Stay here and warm up. Are just so clutch. I don't understand. Man, my motor is like, for the conditions right now, pristine. Ooh, that car window. Alright, let's take off. We're still at 3 bars, so we're chilling right now.